Hello, good morning. My name is Alethea, this is Got You Covered. Today I am thrift shopping. Oh, there's a motorcycle going by. Today is going to be a thrift shopping haul, and I'm going to take you along with me so I can show you all my tips for how I decide whether or not something is a good purchase. All right, let's go. First things first, you have to find a thrift store that you actually like. I like shopping at consignment stores just because it's more likely that I'm going to find something that's my taste and is my standards. Alright, first thing while you're shopping, never pass up on anything that catches your eye. If it makes you stop for more than 1 second, go ahead and pick it up and don't really think about it too hard. You can make your choices and whittle things down further once you're actually trying things on. It's not the time to be picky while you're browsing. I really like to look at things that are off-season because you're going to find a way better deal on sweaters in the spring and a way better deal on sundresses in the fall. So if you're looking for a good deal, off-season is the way to go. When you're in the dressing room, never get discouraged if something doesn't fit or isn't your style. That is totally okay. I know it's so easy to get frustrated while you're shopping, believe me, but it's best to just push through because even if you only walk away with one thing, it's still totally worth it. I like to move around in my clothing and kind of get a feel of how it would be in my everyday, so sometimes I'll do squats or dance with it. I know it's kind of funny, but it helps me feel better about my purchases. Sometimes I grab stuff that's totally not my style on purpose, even if I really don't like it, just to push myself out of my comfort zone. You never know when you're gonna fall in love with a new style. Okay, so now I have to figure out which ones I want and which ones I don't want. It's like super basic, but anything that I liked, I separate from the things that I don't like and then go from there. I always take one more minute to look over my rejects just to be sure I'm okay with my choice. Once I have everything separated into what I like and what I don't like, what I do while I'm shopping is I never check the price. Never. Not until I try it on and I decide that I like it. And then I assign each piece a price. And I say, okay, I would pay $20 for this. I'd pay $15 for this. And if it's less than that, great. But if it's more than that, I don't get it because I've already stated how much value that holds to me. So if they're trying to charge me $40 for something that I said was worth $15, it's obviously not worth it. For example, I think this one's worth about $15, I would say. All right. Yes. All right, we're good. I really liked this, so I'm going to give this like, I don't know, 25? Oh my gosh. It's so close. This, like, it fit me so perfect, so I'm going to go up to 30 on this one. Ooh, okay. We're clear. This one is cute, but maybe no more than 20. Good. This one, I like it. It's like a nice basic, but I wasn't like in love with it, so I'm gonna say no more than 15. Oh, all right. So this was $16. I said no more than 15, so I'm not gonna get it. Okay, so I got 4 things. That's pretty good. I feel like I normally walk away with like maybe one piece of clothing, so this is awesome. That's why I like going to consignment stores a little bit better than regular thrift stores, just because thrift stores you have a lot more digging and a lot more stuff that's like not good. My camera died, so I'm gonna have to do my outro on my phone, so sorry for the quality decrease. But hopefully this video was helpful and you will be able to feel more prepared next time you go thrift shopping. I know thrift shopping can be kind of intimidating. There's a lot of stuff to dig through and some people think it's gross, but if you know what you're doing and you try to find stuff, you will. You'll find a lot more than you think you will. And sometimes I actually literally think it's worth it to just go and not find anything just because I got practice thrift shopping. I know it seems like a silly thing to get practice at, but it's seriously so worth it when you find something like good. I believe that your clothing choices can give you confidence and inspire you to do the things that you really care about, and you can literally make your day one great outfit at a time. So if you are interested in all things fashion, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye! Running in my heels, I can't bend my toes. Let me in.